Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you a quick video walkthrough on how to use our Cadillac Area Public Schools report card standards for our K-5 Schoology courses. Let's begin. I'm going to go ahead and go into one of my social studies courses. And I'm going to add a material. And let's go ahead and create an assignment. This would be on any page, any assignment, any test, meaning assessment, any discussion question, anywhere that you are going to tag a standard, you're going to do this process. So the first thing I need to do is I need to call this, I'm going to title it, so I'm going to call it standard tagging. This is where I type my instruction and add my videos. So I would set up my category, which we're going to make this one ungraded. I'm going to eventually delete this so I don't need to sync to the sys, but remember, sync to the sys means to send it to PowerSchool. I want my numeric, and because I want it to be worth 100 points. And then this is where I go for my alignment. So if I click alignment, in the very top under custom learning objectives. So even though I want something to, I know I'm following Common Core standards, I know that our CAPS standards are connected to Common Core or Next Gen or Michigan state standards. These are already put in for you, so they're under custom learning. So please click on custom learning objectives. You want to go to school, they are part of the school ones. And then you want to pick your grade level. So I am in 5th grade, I'm going to pick 5th grade. Then they're broken down. So do I want an ELA standard, a math standard, a science standard, or a social studies standard? This is my social studies course, so I'm going to pick a social studies standard. Then they're broken into my 3 sections. In 5th grade, we don't have history, geography, civics, and government, economics, those pieces. We actually have eras. So let's say that I'm working on colonization, and then I want this one, just the plain overarching colonization and settlement, which is what this section is called. So maybe it doesn't quite fit into this section, European struggle for control of America or the colonial life. Maybe it just fits in here. It's one of the standards that are not these 2 specific ones. So I'm going to select that. You see it's green. So I'm going to add the learning objective. If I want more learning objectives, I can go ahead and go back through my breadcrumbs here. I can go back to my 5th grade standards. Maybe I'm going to do some writing too, and I want to connect with a writing. We're going to write an informational text, and we're going to do that piece there. So you will see that I now have 2 standards connected, and they are our Cadillac Area Public Schools report card standards, our standards that we have for our standards-based learning. I would click create. Everything new goes to the bottom of the page. So I'm going to go to the very bottom, and there's my standard tagging. So if I click on this, here it is. If I had all of my template laid out there, you'd see all the imaging and things. This is what students see right here. So that is how you use the Cadillac Area Public Schools standards. They are all embedded in there. I will show you. If I go and edit, I can change any of those standards, but we have them for kindergarten all the way through 5th grade. If I click align and I go back, it'll bring up the dialog box. Oh, that's not what I clicked on. Click align. Custom learning objectives, school. And you see I can dig into kindergarten. I can go back to the school and click on 3rd grade. Again, maybe I want a math one. There they are. So they're there for all grade levels. If you have any questions, please send me an email, Sandy. Okay, you can send it to sandy.freeland@cadillacschools.org, or you can send it to sandra.freeland@cadillacschools.org. Either one will work. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.